When we're talking about treating hair thinning, we usually think the typical male pattern baldness, but actually many women have hair thinning, especially around menopause or after a major surgery. So this machine can treat hair thinning for men or women, whether it's been a rapid onset or a long-term problem. And it works along with a product and even with a red light hair stimulator to really penetrate the hair follicles and get them activated again. Ideally for hair restoration, we want to do about 6 treatments, each about a month apart, and then kind of see where things are at. And typically after that, people can go about once or twice a year with a sort of a touch-up process just to keep the hair stimulated and growing.